Hello there, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so I want to show you how to make a immune builder filled with vitamin C smoothie. So we're gonna basically make a cranberry strawberry smoothie. Okay, it's gonna have some other fruits in it, but that's the main ingredients, okay, to help you fight against any kind of sickness going on nationwide. Okay, all right, let's do it. Give it a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, check out my links below. It's a pleasure serving you. Let's do it. Okay, so I have here a half a cup of cranberries. These are the same cranberries, they're fresh cranberries that you buy to make cranberry sauce with, okay? We're going to start using fruits going forward in a lot of my dishes so that you can get the benefits of the fruit, vitamin C and any other vitamins or immune builder that you can get, okay? Okay, so now I have some strawberries. This is about a cup of strawberries. I got this bag from Walmart. I believe it was $2.37. Okay, whole strawberries, frozen. So, and then I have frozen bananas. So you take the bananas and you just put them in a baggie and freeze them, and then they're ready for a smoothie or any other way you want to use the bananas, okay? And I have a yogurt here. This yogurt has calcium and vitamin D in it. Yogurt, alright? It doesn't matter what flavor, it's up to you. Okay, so let's start compiling our smoothie. Oh yeah, I need one more thing. I'm going to be adding some French vanilla cream, or if you have regular cream, or maybe you want milk in yours, it's up to you, okay? Alright, so let's start compiling our ingredients. So the first thing I want to add is the strawberries. That's about a cup of strawberries, whole strawberries. And then I got the half a cup of cranberries. So that's what we're looking like so far. This is the Ninja that we're going to be using to make our smoothie. Now this is a whole banana that's frozen. I'm just going to break it up. And put it in. Okay. Now I got to put in the yogurt. Okay, I just filled this up with some water, with the yogurt container up with water. Okay, so now I want to add some cream. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's about 4 tablespoons of the French vanilla cream. This is coffee cream, okay? Or you can use milk. And now I have the yogurt. So this is How many ounces? 6 ounces. So I'm going to pour half first. So that's about 3 ounces of water. I'm going to put the top on. Okay. Now, if you're not familiar with the Ninja, this is a great tool to buy. It has a mixer on it, so you don't need a mixer anymore. You can make frozen drinks, smoothies, you can extract fruits and that sort of thing. Boost is a very powerful speed that will definitely break down anything. That's the speed we're going to use today. And puree. Puree is something where if you're trying to make baby food or anything like that, okay? Alright, so let's give this a mix. I'm going to hit boost and it's loud. Okay. Now you mix it till you can move it like this and you actually see it moving. So I don't know if you can see it moving or not, but if you can see it moving, then it's probably thin enough for you to drink. If you don't see it moving, you may need to add a little more water to make it move, okay? Okay, so let me put this in a container and give you the word of the day, because that's the most important thing, right? And taste it for you. I'll be right back. Okay, I brought you back to show you this. When I pour it, look how thick it is. So you see, you want it to move like that. You see that? So you know you can drink that, right? If it doesn't move like that, then you need to add some water and mix it some more. Okay. The word of the day. The word of the day is forgiveness. Forgiveness. Maybe you hold a grudge. Maybe you're not speaking to someone. Maybe you, someone did something to you and now you just can't forget about it. You just can't forgive them. Forgiveness is not about you letting them off the hook or you pleasing them. Forgiveness is about you forgiving yourself for holding the grudge. Forgiveness is about you releasing that tension so that you no longer have to walk around intense about that. Forgiveness is healthy for you. So go ahead, forgive some people. It's not worth your health. Forgiveness. That's the word of the day. Okay, so this container here I buy at Dunkin' Donuts for 25 cents. It includes the container and the top. So let's take a taste and see how our cranberry strawberry smoothie tastes. Wow. I don't need no sugar in it because you know the banana was already ripe when I put it in the freezer, so that's sugar. And the yogurt has some sugar in it. So and the strawberries is naturally sweet. So you see, I don't need any sugar and it tastes really good. So if you don't have a Ninja, maybe you have a blender or something that you can make a smoothie with. Use that and enjoy yourself. And this is a quick, easy way for you to get your vitamin C. So maybe you might want to make this for lunch or for dinner, or maybe even for breakfast. Why not? Okay, and get your vitamin C in. Okay? Alright, this was something that I thought you would enjoy. Please give it a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe. Check out my links below, and I'll talk to you soon, okay? Thanks.